morning, campers. It is time for another session with Camp at Home, and today we are going to learn how to make birdhouses out of popsicle sticks. Now, popsicle sticks are very easy to find. They're very cheap at Walmart or any craft store, or if your parents buy popsicles during the summer, then just save your popsicle sticks so that you can build a birdhouse out of them. So stay tuned and I will teach you the steps. So first off, some of the supplies you need, like I said, are popsicle sticks. You're going to need a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks depending on what size the glue gun is. Now make sure that your parents have given you permission to plug these in and to use them because they do get a little hot if you touch the glue. But I've noticed that it works best with this type of glue instead of just regular Elmer's glue. So what you're going to do is you are going to take the side piece of your popsicle stick, so the very thin part, and you're going to layer a strip of hot glue, and then you're going to put another popsicle stick together on it. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. You got to kind of do this in a quick process because the glue tends to dry really quickly. So I like to hold this together for at least 10 seconds. And now I have a piece together. Now when I was making this with my daughters the other day, because you know we had to do a test run to make sure it actually worked, they did about 9 of these little sticks together. So I'm going to put 9 sticks together and I'm going to make a couple panels and then we'll come back and show how we assemble it. Alright, so we have made our walls. I went ahead and actually did 10 because I wanted to make braces on each side. So I took 2 popsicle sticks and I braced it together because it was a little flimsy. When my daughters made theirs, they left it in the rain for one thing, but it was just really flimsy. So what I did is I added a brace to it, so therefore it doesn't move. So I did 3 of these. Now you can be as creative as you want. My son wants to make a 3-story mansion for his birdhouse. So I did 3. This is the bottom of my birdhouse, and then I already have hot glued together my roofs. So I'm going to be taking the bottom and I'm going to be hot gluing this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will come back and show you what to do next. Alright, so I have put my walls up, and I've also put, I'm going to show you here 2 little backings. So this is the back. It's not very even, but that's okay. And then up here I put a smaller front, and this is basically, and 2 little more sticks here where the birds can sit on. But basically I put these 2 things on to keep the seeds inside, as you can see. And then I've already put my yarn on here so I can hang it from the tree. And there we go. It's all ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, you can be as creative as you want. You can make it as big as you want, as little as you want. You can color it and decorate it. I am so looking forward to next summer to be able to make these with you in person. But for now, go ahead and make them, post them on our Facebook pages, and let me see your creativity. Bye.